So yes, hi guys! Welcome again to our channel, Morna K and family. So yes, for today's video is ako lang muna because this is a follow-up video about the last video we just uploaded about the visa, Vietnam tourist visa. So yes, so this is only for I will just going to say something about my experience about the immigration and then the visa. So okay. So for Filipino passport holder, so we are if you gonna check it also online, there is also there you can Google it, gulo-gulo. So a Filipino passport holder are exempted from visa requirements for Vietnam for stay of up to 21 days. So if you're gonna stay was this less than 21 days, so you are exempted for the for the visa requirements. But if you're gonna stay longer than 21 days, that's the time you're going to provide na the the visa and the passport, the valid passport that is what's that, valid for 6 months travel, and then yung return ticket. So and then with the visa, so there is a multiple entry visa and there is also the single entry visa. So if you're going to get the multiple entry visa, that's the one that 3 months multiple entry visa. That's the one yung pwede ka, you can go out and then come back again within the 3 months. So you can go, for example, you stay here 1 week in Vietnam and after that you go to Thailand or go to Cambodia because it's really close like that, and then after that you come back again here, so you can still use again your visa because it's a 3 months entry visa. While the single entry visa, it's only one you cannot go outside. Like if you're gonna stay here for 3 months, that single entry visa, it's only you stay there. Oo, sa loob ng 3 months you will be there only in Vietnam. So but then if when you go out and then you did not finish yet the 3 months visa, so it's not valid anymore. So yes, so about the immigration in the Philippines, so I know there's so many Filipina or yung partner nyo is nagwo-worry that you're gonna be get offload. So Filipina naman or Filipino passport holder, I think better if you going to travel with your partner so that pag may mga questions, if there will be question, it will be easy because nandyan yung backup nyo. Ayan, nandyan yung backup. So ayan siya. So if they have questions, because for sure they gonna ask yung accommodation, the return ticket, and then about your relationship, pictures like that. So it's really good pag you going to travel with your partner or boyfriend or husband. I think it's really big factor. And then i-prepare nyo lang yung mga if you going to get that visa, you can apply it sa Vietnam website. Andun yung yung may website yan, i-click nyo lang, i-search nyo lang yung website nila, and after that they process it. Ang process nila is 3 to 5 days process, and then after that marireceive mo na kaagad through email yung copy about your visa, and after that you're going to print it, para always print it, para if they gonna ask your visa, easy to show to them. And then sa ticket, yes, of course they also ask about ticket, return ticket, and then what else? So if you're going to travel also with your kids, don't worry, as long as the kids will going to travel with the mother, it's okay. Walang masyadong tinatanong. I think one time only the birth certificate. I think you also need to prepare about that. Oo, sa birth certificate kasi gusto nila makita kung ikaw ba talaga yung mama, yung nanay ng bata na kasama mong mag-travel. And then after that, sa before boarding sa mga airlines, kasi kami sa Philippine Airlines, you cannot also go inside sa airplane kung hindi nila chine-check kasi nila yung visa. So you cannot go inside. They will not let you go inside sa airplane kung hindi nila na-check yung visa mo. So chine-check din ng mga ng staff ng airlines kung may yung visa nyo yung copy ng visa para to make sure na darating kayo sa Vietnam is may visa kayo na papasok sa Vietnam. And then, pag sa pasok naman sa Vietnam, sa immigration, everything will be easy. Walang masyadong tanong. You will just go sa immigration, and then after that, show your passport, and then show your visa, and then I think nagtitake ba sila ng picture? I'm not sure. I forgot about it. Oo. And then after that, ginastamp ka agad nila. So, yung whatever your visa said there, for example, you will be there for 3 months, the visa you apply is 3 months, yun din yung i-stamp nila until, valid until, ganun. So, anong date yung mag-i-end yung visa ninyo. So, yun. So, walang masyadong tanong sa walang masyadong tanong actually sa Vietnam, kasi they don't also ask about the return ticket like that. Basta kung ano lang yung ibigay mo lang, and then super tahimik lang, ganun. Walang masyadong nabasa lang nila, walang mga tanong-tanong. So, ganun yung experience ko about immigration and about the visa. So, yeah, so far, if you have questions like that, so, comment down below, and I will try to answer all the worries or questions. So maybe I can I have some ideas about it. So yeah, so good luck and happy trip. See you here in Vietnam. So okay, that's all for now. Bye.